Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 15th of April. First of all, national news. The Modi government is aggressively backing next generation tech to build future ready capabilities. PM Modi flagged off his Ayodhya flight, laid foundation stone for new terminal building of airport. Supreme Court to hear matter related to tree felling in Hyderabad, Gachibowli forest on April 16. Center framed draft rules for gas meters. Telangana became first state to notify scheduled caste categorization. And India joined Elite Global Tech League with breakthrough in defense, space and semiconductors. Russia reiterated its support for India's bid for permanent seat in UNSC. Now, international news. Ecuadorian President Noboa re-elected for second term. Earthquake measuring 6.3 strikes south of Fiji. US to launch separate tariffs on electronics imports. And Japan recorded sharpest population decline, labor shortage deepen amid aging crisis. Iranian foreign minister to visit Moscow for nuclear talks, consultations amid ongoing US negotiations. Now some sports news. Mascot and logo of Khelo India Youth Games 2025 to be held in Bihar. Hockey India announced 26-member women's squad for upcoming Australia tour. Archery World Cup, Dheeraj Bommadewara clinch individual bronze for India. Sourav Ganguly reappointed as chairperson of ICC Men's Cricket Committee. Now news related to business. Oil prices climbed over 1% on US tariff exclusions. And FDI in pharma sector crossed 19 crore last fiscal. India preparing to ship 40,000 tons of shrimp to US after tariff pause. And that's all in news. Thank you.